Alrighty, so today the cabinet is getting installed. We're screwing that down right now, and we also have the countertop with the sink and stove already inside that we're gonna put on top too. Look at the counter! Oh my gosh. Oh, everything has a pink hue because there's a red van next to us. So yeah. What do you think?
That looks good.
Why didn't you paint those ones? Do you know where trim was?
Nope. Right, so we got some molding trim pieces. We're gonna use these for the gaps between the cabinet and the wall, and the other gap between the two joining walls. So Scott's been really busy doing some stuff with the van. Let me show you what it looks like. Alrighty, so the covers are up. That one's going to have a handle on it. And now we have the trim pieces up on the walls that I thought I was done painting, but now I need to put more paint on. Yay!